So when we are creating videos for you, people keep saying that we are fake, we don't know what we are doing, we have no idea about how the markets works. Then what is this? So what is this? That is what I'm asking you. I told you on Monday when I placed these trades, and then I showed you how we placed the trades. And then I told you that I would be giving you an update during the week how the market is doing. Unfortunately, this day, especially today, there are a lot of holidays, but that's not a problem for us mainly because we've already placed the trades. Otherwise, if the market was really good today and there were no major holidays, we are going to be making extreme profits. But then, as I told you, it was so simple. We placed the trades together and we're just using the RSI and the envelopes. This strategy has been there. I've been posting many videos about it, but people have not been taking it seriously. And I've been giving you the settings for this thing. Let me just show you a quick, just something very quick and simple. So right now we are on the daily time frame, right? So right now we are on the daily time frame, and if I can just zoom in for you, you will see that for the past 3 days, price has been bearish. So these are the past 3 days. We have had this one Monday, Tuesday, and today it is Wednesday. So price is bearish, right? So we have got on the bigger picture that price is bearish. So I want us to take this to the 15-minute time frame right now. So on the 15-minute time frame, I would love you to only mind certain points, because remember our slogan is we want to minimize losses and we want to maximize profits. So I want you to make sure that every entry you make is on profit maximization, right? So this is the 15-minute time frame. On the higher time frame, we saw that today price and the day before price has been going down on the Australian dollar. So now let's do this. Whenever you are going to see price coming up like this, we are selling on the highest points. So we are going to wait for price to go down, and when it goes up and just right at the peak over there, that is where we sell. And price goes down again, so price goes down again, and when it goes up again, you sell at that point. You get what I'm saying? So this is not complicated. I'm trying to make this as simple as I can. So on the highest points, we are selling on the highest points. So someone is saying, why are we selling at the highest point? Remember, our mind has seen that on the daily time frame price is bearish. So long as price is bearish on the higher time frame, whatever I'm going to do on the lower time frames, unless I just want to be scalping, because if I was on scalping, then definitely I was just going to be looking for quick profits. So if I was on scalping right now, I would just be buying it down here and buying down here so that I can just get my profits going here, and then I would just close everything down when I get to that point. And again, placing my entry over here, I was going to take it here and then close everything down when I got here. But we want to hold long term for now, so we're not on scalping right now. That's the reason why I used a 0.01. But just look at the results. These are all 0.01 lot size. Just imagine if I decided to make a risk and add and make it a bigger lot size. Imagine where I would be right now. So guys, this thing is really working. It's really that simple, very much simple. As I said last time, that this thing, you just go up here. So when you get there, the first thing we are going to do is to come to the main chart. On the main chart, we're just going to look for relative strength index. Period 1, apply to close. That style is not important. Then for the levels, I said you click that pencil, and then we've got 90, 10, 80, 20, 50. And the concept is this: when we get to 90, that is where we usually wait for the graph to get. So when the envelope gets to 90, we just wait for it to come and reach the 80 line level. So getting to the 80 line level, that is where we begin to do what? That is where we sell. So that is the first place we enter our sell entries. And on the 50 line level, and that is where we enter a second batch. It's 2 entries on the 50 line level, and we are still on selling point. And I said when price gets to the 10 line level, now we get ready. When price gets to the 20 line level, we now buy. So we get here and then we start buying, and we wait for the price to get to the 50 line level. On the 50 line level, we make 2 buy entries, so that we have got 3 running trades on the same direction. Now, as I told you, that every entry we are going to make is well calculated, and if it's well calculated, it means we are on profit no matter what. So after entering those levels, the next thing you make it 4 pixel black over there and click save. So that's save, and then check on the indicator window 1. So on the indicator window 1, let's enter envelopes. Envelopes is period 2, shift 0, deviation 0.000, method smoothed. You just click on there because there are the symbol exponential, smoothed, and linear weight. So for us, we're going to take smoothed, and then apply to close, and then upper band make it 3 pixel red, and then the lower band, it's not that important. So make sure that all time frames are all day. All time frames are there, my friends. So that is how we're going to get to these 2 indicators that we're going to use. Otherwise, guys, this is simple. Like I told you, the first thing that we do is that we just wait for price to come and hit the 90 line level, and when price gets to the 80 line level, that is where we sell, right? And when price gets to the 50 line level, we have got 2 sell entries now. So we've got 3 running trades going the same direction. And for scalpers, make sure you use a bigger lot size, but if you're going to hold long term, make sure you use a smaller lot size. And then we said if you are going to be making a buy entry, so for buy entries, I also want you to be vigilant, because I told you you have to move the chart sideways so that price is not repainting. So for instance, over here you can see price is coming to the 10 line level over there, and then price gets to the 20 line level, we buy, and price gets to the 50 line level, we add 2 more buy entries. And I told you, don't be alarmed when you see this change in price. So don't be alarmed, just hold your horses, because price is going to surprise you, and it's going to just be speeding all up, making you a lot of profits. Now, I told you that when price gets to areas like this, so when price gets to areas like this, these are very good key points. These ones are very good key points. Remember, we were buying. So when price is just going down at the lowest over here, just make sure you place another buy as a bonus. Because right now you won't be using the levels down there, so it's just going to be your bonus. Watch out for all the key steps, all the price changes, and you'll be good to go, and you'll be securing your pocket just like this. Guys, this thing, I'm trying to make sure that everyone sees what we are doing here. This is not complicated. This is as simple as I can make it. Otherwise, these are my trades for Monday, and we are continuing. Otherwise, market today is very much not good, so make sure that you apply your risk management, and if possible, don't be placing any trades today, because market has got a lot of holidays on the major countries. So guys, I'll be seeing you soon in the next video for more updates. You take care.